In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use promptup to fill up your LinkedIn content calendar. And I'm going to actually use it because I have not been consistent on LinkedIn posting. So let's get right into it. So all you have to do is go to promptup.pro. If you don't have an account, just sign up for free. Or if you already have an account, just go and log in. It's completely free today, forever, so you don't have to worry about whether you'll be paying anything for it or not. So all you have to do is just give it a lazy prompt or a bad prompt or whatever comes to your mind. For example, let's say uh, create a 4 week long LinkedIn content calendar and has prompt. Once you click on it, OpenAI will go ahead and analyze the initial prompt that you gave, and it'll ask you some questions that are going to be relevant for your uh, end goal that you are looking forward to build the enhanced prompt for. For example, this is what are the key topics or themes you want to focus on the content calendar. Let's say build in public AI SaaS AI workflow. I think this is good enough for me. What type of content format do you prefer? Article, images, video, polls. I think I'll just go with text, videos, maybe image. Who's your target audience on LinkedIn and what are their interests? Founders and marketers looking forward to save some time and streamline their workflow by building custom SaaS for their use cases. This is good enough for me. What are your primary objectives for LinkedIn content engagement, brand awareness, lead generation? I think brand awareness and lead generation. How often do you want to post? Let's say 5 days a week. Are there any specific event or dates you want to tie? I don't think so. So let's put NA. Do you have any existing brand guideline or tone of voice preference? Let's start afresh. But I want to sound friendly and authoritative. Let's see what kind of enhanced prompt it gives me, and then we'll go ahead and see what we can generate in Claude as well as in OpenAI using this enhanced prompt. So let's copy this and let's go to ChatGPT. In this browser, I just have the free version, not the Pro. Even for Claude, I have the free version in this particular browser window. Let it process and let's go to Claude. Let's see. ChatGPT was already, already started working. So let's see what kind of content calendar it's helping me build. So objective is to increase brand awareness and generate leads among founders and marketers seeking to streamline workflow with AI SaaS solution for custom use cases, custom content theme, built-in public AI SaaS. So basically it's just, it summarized all the answers that I gave it. Then for week 1, it is telling me Monday text post theme AI SaaS. And it also gave me a title, which I can use as the hook of my post. Why AI SaaS is the future of workflow optimization for startups. I don't think it's bad, but yeah, I can, certainly make it better. A quick overview of how AI SaaS solution can help startups save time, improve efficiency, and scale quickly. Include example of real world applications. So I can, just utilize this content as the pillar and, build up using the title. And it also suggested me some hashtags here. For Tuesday, it's again telling me image for building in public, our journey to create an AI SaaS for custom workflows. So I think it's a good example where I can showcase PromptUp to streamline how I can do different things using PromptUp. It also suggested me content. The For Wednesday, it's suggesting me video for AI workflow, how AI transform workflow automation for marketers. 1 to 2 minutes video explaining the practical benefits of AI in marketers in automating mundane tasks and boosting productivity. So I can certainly, go ahead and give prompt up another prompt that, I want to create a video using this content. So this is the pillar and this is the topic I want to talk about. So it can go ahead and, give me guidelines. It can ask me tailored questions, what kind of videos I'm looking forward to build, and then it can build a complete script from there. For Thursday, it's telling me text AI SaaS, three key benefits of AI powered SaaS for your business. It's also good. Let's go to Friday. Again, image built in public, building an AI SaaS, overcoming challenges in the early stage, and share an image of your workspace or team brainstorming. So yeah, it's just telling me, connecting with people emotionally, because it's telling me, to even showcase an image that shows my team brainstorming, uh, to add a human, element to the post. So let's go to the second week. Again, text, video, text, image, text, and it's also giving me the titles and the content of each post that I can write. Again, for week 3 and week 4. So it's the complete content. It gave me like 4 weeks, 5 posts a week. So it has given me 20 hooks along with what kind of content I should be putting in, plus the hashtags for those specific videos. Also, in final note, it gave me ensure the content is well targeted by focusing. So I'll not be writing the content. In the next video, I'll be showing how exactly I use PromptUp to write the content using these titles, content, and these guidelines. So yes, I use a mix of storytelling and educational content. So it has given me, some more things to tailor that I can utilize in my next prompt that I build using PromptUp. So I'm gonna, use exactly this. Let's go to Claude and let's see, what kind of things it has been it has So let's go to Claude and let's see what kind of output I've gotten from my initial enhanced prompt. So it is the calendar at the right side, and here it has given me, balance the three key themes across each week. So it's basically, I've created a detailed content calendar that aligns with your objective and target audience. So basically it is telling me what it has done, and it has also asked me, what kind of task I can give it to complete further, like expand the remaining weeks with specific content ideas, add more technical details about AI workflow automation, and include specific metrics to track for each post type. So let's see the content calendar. The week 1, establishing foundation. So basically, it is, I think, from the very first sentence, I think it's gonna be awesome. So it has told me to go for the text post for Monday, because right now it is just helping me build the foundation first, build in public. Today marks the start of our journey to revolutionize workflow automation. So basically, uh, it has written the post for me. We are building something exciting and want to bring you along the ride. Our mission, helping blah blah blah. So basically, it has given me the entire post altogether that I can just copy and post. along with the CTA. Tuesday, it's a video idea, video 60 second workflow automation demo. Caption, so basically, ever wonder how to automate your content approval process? Watch how we turn a 2 hour task into a 5 minute workflow using our AI solution. So possibly I'll go ahead and, put this in PromptUp and let's see, what do I get out of it. Pro tip, start small, automate one task at a time and scale from there. So basically it has given me a roadmap for this video, like, start with telling people to start small and then automate one task at a time and then scale from there. So want to see more workflow hacks. So again, a CTA. Wednesday, image post, AI SaaS. It's asking me to include an infographic, the real cost of manual workflow. So basically, I'm just, uh, presenting people with the fact that if you go with manual workflow, it's not just costing them money, it's costing them time, which is again including a lot of labor cost, including a lot of other time related cost, plus a lot of things that they could have achieved if they have automated the things and achieved the end result faster. In that case, they would have saved a lot of things. So this is focusing there. So I think it's going in a very very good direction. Did you know the average marketing team spends 62 hours per month on tasks that could be automated? So again, it's a very good hook for the infographic, or I think it can make a very good video as well. Swipe through to see. Basically, I think it's a carousel post. So Thursday text post, theme built in public, behind the scene update. So basically, just finished our first user interview session, the inside our goal, and then basically it's writing the post for me as well. So it's just 1 week. So and yeah, just 1 week's worth of content. So I think that is why Claude was telling me that I if I wanted to complete the rest of the weeks as well. So basically, here I did not even have to write the post if I do not want to, because these posts are good enough, not top of the line I would say, uh, but again they are good enough to get started with. But again, using PromptUp, I can write prompts for these posts as well, and that's what I'm gonna do in the next video. So please stay tuned for that. Until then, have a good one, and please do let me know how you are liking PromptUp. So take care. Bye bye.